nature fights back. Coral reefs are slowly healing themselves. Over half of global coral reefs faced severe bleaching by 2017, threatening countless marine species' survival. This crisis largely stems from ocean warming, driven by greenhouse gas emissions that raised sea temperatures by 1.1 degrees Celsius. International coalitions funded coral restoration, planting resilient species, and pioneering assisted evolution techniques. Recent studies reveal reef cover in some Pacific regions rose by 5% since 2020, indicating partial ecosystem recovery. Could targeted human intervention truly reverse decades of damage? How should we support these fragile ecosystems now?